Brian Sensei here. Have you ever wanted to create your own music and use it in projects you're working on, or just share it with your friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use generative AI to create music, be it instrumental, or you can even include song lyrics and vocals. Let's dig in. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is open up our internet browser and head on over to Suno.com. All right, once you get to the website, you're going to come down here and click on Sign In. Choose a Sign In option to get signed up, and you'll be ready to go. All right, I'm signed in now. And I want to call out here that you'll notice we have 50 credits over here on the left. So what this means is that you can use 50 credits, which renew daily, and you can use them to create 10 songs. However, you can pay some additional fees to upgrade to the Pro plan or the Premier plan. I like things free, so I go ahead and stay with the basic plan. All right, let's go back to home. Notice over here on the far right, they do have mobile versions of their app for both Android and iOS. All right, you'll notice here on the home screen that there are some examples that you can click on and listen to. Let's go ahead and click on one of these. Notice here at the far right, you're going to see the different genres that this was based on. And as you scroll down, you're going to find more information, including the song lyrics. Okay, to get started creating your own song, come over here to Create. All right, in this example, I'm going to create a song that I can use as part of a promotional video for my School of Rock. All right, I'm going to go ahead and turn on Custom and get started. Notice here at the top, if you want this to only be an instrumental song, you can go ahead and click here and it will not generate lyrics and vocals. But in this example, I want vocals, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. Here I can enter in my own lyrics. Or I can click Write with Suno and use generative AI to help me write the lyrics. Let's go ahead and check this out. Describe the lyrics you want, or share a theme or topic. Write lyrics that inspire young musicians to become future rock stars by taking classes at Brian Sensei's School of Rock. Here we have an option. We can use classic or their newest, most creative model, which may generate content that some find offensive. I'm going to go ahead and try this beta, and we'll click Write Lyrics. Notice here, they're giving us two versions or two options to go with. We have this one titled Start 'em Young. We have all the lyrics. Notice it even breaks it down by verse and chorus. All right, this one on the right is called Brian Sensei's School of Rock. So I can read through each of these, find the one I like, and I can accept the option by clicking one of these buttons. If I don't like either of these, I can continue to add more description down here to my prompt. I'm going to go ahead and go with Brian Sensei's School of Rock over here on the right. I'll accept this option. Okay, so here's the lyrics in this panel here. Now, down below, this is where we provide the style of music that we would like. Notice we can simply click on these different genres, scroll right to find more, or we can type them in. I kind of like this J-pop option, but I can type in a comma and add more genres. All right, so we have J-pop, alternative, and rock and roll. Okay, I have to zoom out a little so I can see all the controls here. All right, notice here we can customize the title of the song, and I'll go ahead and click Create. And boom shakalaka. Look at that. It created two options for me. Let's go ahead and play the first one. Ha ha ha! Yes, I love it. I love it. All right, let's try the second one here.
They write their own songs. They pick up the beat.
Nice. I love that one too. These are both excellent. All right. Okay, off to the far right, you notice you have an option to extend the song. That's probably extending the length. I can make it public if I'd like other people to access my song here on the Suno website. I can give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I can share it with friends. And then here's a more menu where you can create and do further things with your song. You can click edit if you'd like to go in and modify some of the details. I can add it to a playlist, share, download. So if you want to download this and use it in other projects, you can go ahead and download audio or even include that video as well. And then of course you can move it to the trash if you do not want the song at all. I'm going to go ahead and keep both of them. And I'm going to open up this one by clicking on the title. And here you see we can play it back and we have all the lyrics here that are easy to read along. And look over here off to the far right, you can discover similar songs to the one you created. Okay, let me show you some other functionality here. Off to the left, we saw home, we went to create. We're now in my library. I'm going to click on library, and this will show us all of the songs that I've created. I can also jump to playlists as I create them. Below that, we have explore. Check this out. Okay, here in Explore, you're going to do just that. Explore various songs created with Suno. What you'll see here is a bunch of different genres that were used to create the songs. You can click on them. Pretty cool. Let's try another one. Japanese surf. Nice. Liquid drum and bass rockabilly.
Through the thumping beats, our hearts align. Bass reverberates as we stand against the gates. Life's a battle.
All right, pretty cool stuff. And you can also randomize by clicking here. Pretty cool, kind of like listening to a jukebox. Okay, so what if you want to take one of these songs and make some modifications to it to make it your own? You can go ahead and click on the title here, and you're going to see the details of this song. You can also see the lyrics down here. You can also connect with the artist who created the song. And then at the far right, you can click the More menu, go to Create, and you can start creating with the foundation of this song. You can extend it, you can reuse the prompt, or you can click Song Radio. What this will do is take the song and create a playlist of various songs that are similar. So here you've created your own playlist, and you can play this back and enjoy it. All right, and that is how you use Suno to create your own custom AI music. If you liked this video, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. Also, If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.